Hello, my name is Adiba Gabriel. So let's continue with our video. Okay, let's continue from where we stop. We have already explained the previous video explained how we got all these value. So they are very straightforward. The previous video explained all. They just click and check the previous video. So how we got this one? Just 18 plus 15 plus this. Sum this value together, you get this. Sum this y value together, you get this. Sum the y value together, you get this. So now let us plot our graph now. So to plot our graph, so that we don't waste our time, look at this question. Uh, Look at this. We have I said we are going to cancel 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here, and 2 centimeter here is common. We cancel it. So we are going to have 1 unit versus 5 units. So you just go here now. I click this, go to x-axis, go to this axis now, and pick 1:5. Okay, the graph will automatically adjust itself. So now let us plot the graph now. You now write your points. So you just follow my step. Okay, get a graph and your pencil, just follow the step. So we are plotting the graph. So we have -3 and 21. So open bracket, just -3 comma 21. So the next one will now be -2 comma 6. So -2 comma 6. So the next one will now be -1 comma -5. -1 comma -5. So the next one will now be 0 comma -12. 0 comma -12. The next one will now be 1 comma -15. 1 comma -15. The next one will now be 2 comma -14. 2 comma -14. The next one will now be 3 comma -9. 3 comma -9. The next one will now be 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. The next one will now be 5 comma 13. 5 comma 13. So we have already written the points. Let's check what we have plotted so far. So you can now see what we have done so far here. Reduce the zoom it down. You can see. So we can now sketch it using our free hands. Our free hands, just sketch it. You can see how it's going to look like. So you can see this is how the graph is going to look like when you plot it. Okay. Now, and we have already plotted the graph. So we are asked to Use the graph to find y when x equal to 1.8. X equal to 1.8. Okay, so you just write points here also, and x is 1.8 abi. So let's assume our y is 0 and x is 1.8. X is 1.8, 1.8 comma 0. So you see that we have the point here. So 1.8, we can now zoom it very well so that we know where we are going. You now and go to your point. So let's take segments from here. Now you can now draw your line, put it here. Oh, it's not straight. You have to make it straight. So anyway, it must be straight. So we can just zoom in for properly. So that you're able to sketch it. You can see. I think it's okay. Uh, so this one is straight. Okay, now let's zoom it very well. We are moving towards this side. Another segment. Very good. So that gives us that this is 14, abi. This is 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are talking about 2. So 15, 1, 2, 3 is 3, abi. That is 15. So we have um when our x is 1.8, y is what? Is minus 15. So it's minus 15. So we can cancel this since do we need to cancel it? I don't think so. Let's get it back. 1.8 comma 0. So we have the segments. So we have the segments. So we have this. So that is that. Okay. So the same thing goes to y. The same thing goes to y. Said find y when y is equal to -8. What's our x? -8. What's our x? So let us assume this is 0 -8. 0 -8. Where is it? Okay, these are -8. So we are going to sketch it. We are moving to this side. We mark it. To this side also, we mark it. And okay, let's zoom it. That means we can draw this line up. It's not straight back. So we can make it straight. We can make it straight. It's okay. Now the next one is this one. Let's zoom it. So we now draw our segment. Okay, and we reduce it. Or if you are doing it on your own, all this line, make it a broken line. Okay, make this line a broken. So let's look at this value now. So we are going to get two value. So let's expand it to get to know what is here. Let's expand it. The value we have here, let's expand it until we get this value. So that means, wow, we're going to get two answer. Minus minus 0.6, comma minus 8. Okay, while the second one will now be 3.2, 3.2, comma minus 8. Is this correct? You said when y equal to minus 8. Okay, it's correct. Thank God. So when y is minus 8, you're going to get minus 0.6 and 3.2. When when x is equal to 1.8, you are going to get minus 15. So we can now write it that um, when x is equal to when x equals to 1.8, 1.8, y will be equals to minus 15. On the other hand, when y is equal to minus 8, so x will be equals to minus 0.6 or 3.2, minus 0.6 or 3.2. So we have answered this question now. We have answered all these questions. This is why question 7, 215, and we have done justice to it. And we did the graph, and this is how the graph will look like. Let us minimize the graph to see the beauty of the graph. To get your own graph and make sure you plot it. You can see the beauty. See the beauty of the work. So if you have questions, please ask. Send your comment below. Send the comment to us below. Okay. And we will explain everything to you again. Any part that you didn't understand, we'll let you know. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. So we call it graph, quadratic graph. So my name is Adibayo Gabriel. Make sure you subscribe to get more video. Subscribe and to get more video. Thank you and God bless you.